Welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look into backlink analytics within Semrush in depth. Basically, this tool helps you to get the full in-depth explanation and all the data set related to a backlinks a particular domain has. It will give you all the data you need to know in order to get the full ideal picture of a backlinks of any website. So in order to access this tool, this is really easy. You logged into your SEMrush tool set and come below the backlink analytics under the link building. Here you just need to enter a domain. For example, I'm entering semrush.com here, and when I click on analyze, it will bring up all the data. For example, live update shows that what kind of category this particular domain comes under. If I'm clicking on here, it will show you different status. And live update, like it shows these are brand new links coming up just found 7 days ago, so it's showing me all those data. I'm just going to go back into all to keep it showing all the things explaining to you. First, you can either see your own domain only, or you can add competitor domains and compare your domain with your competitors. You can add up to 3 competitors here to compare, and just it will show all the data, but while comparing it will show all the data. Referring domain, it says that SEMrush has around 150,000 plus referring domain backlinks. Total number of backlinks they have is around 47 million. Monthly visits they are getting is 31.8 million. Organic traffic they are receiving is around 21.2 million. Outbound domain link, how many domains which SEMrush is linking out is around 10,000. So we get all these data here. These having all these data are having a link, which means when I click on it, it will open up in one of these tabs, which will give me more in-depth data. So these are very important for us because we are initially within a quick glance, we are able to see all the data related to backlinks. And not only that, we are actually able to see the outbound domain also, like these are the domains which we are linking out to this particular site is linking out, so we can see all these things. Overall toxicity score, if it finds a lot of bad backlinks or links from bad neighborhoods like public blog network, de-index sites, spam sites, it will show your domain toxicity score as well. Now it's showing me authority score. You can see SEMrush has an authority of 83, and it says that it's an industry leader because it has a link power, it has the organic traffic to prove, it also have a natural profile. So based on these 3 criteria, for every domain it will grade you that particular domain based on the backlink it has. Authority score trend, like how much they are growing and how they are growing, so it will show me that line graph here. And if you see here also, it has notation in case if anything major happened during that time, it will show that notation. So in case sometime if you notice something going down, you know that this is can be because of this particular reason. Then we have network graph. I will go depth when I'm explaining here, but basically it is giving me an overall picture for this particular tab. Referring domain is like it shows how many referring domain it has, like cumulatively adding to their backlink and domain portfolio. You can see it started on February 2023 to around 135,000 domains, but currently they have over 154,000 domains. So that is cumulatively how many domains they having, and backlinks is showing me how many backlink it has, right? For February 2023, they had over 71 million, but now it's around 46 million. So it is considerably reduced. Maybe they have reduced a lot of spam backlinks or not. They have to check that out. So those are the backlinks. We can see that new and referring domain. Basically, this shows for every single section under last 6 months. You can also see the in-depth data for like every day, how many backlinks it gained, how many backlinks it lost. So visually I can see how many backlinks I gained. So you can see based on this data where these top bars are having a larger size, means that it automatically SEMrush is receiving more backlinks compared to the number of links they are losing, which is a really good sign, because you don't want to lose a lot of backlinks and you just add couple of new backlinks. So that is what here, and this is for referring domain, not backlinks, new back domains added. So it can have, even though it mentioned 2021, it can have lot more links, but they're adding more domains here. This is for backlinks, where we can see how many backlinks they are adding for a certain amount of period, how many are losing. So we can see the data. For example, sometimes here these are very nominal compared to the backlinks they are getting. So those are the data we can see. Here also we have full report backlink. Categories is saying based on the referring domains, at what kind of category they are coming from. For example, most of the backlink which Semrush is receiving is coming from business and industrial category, then internet and telecom. So based on that, we can also get the idea on who are other people who are linking to this particular website and from which category they are in. We can also see full report here, and here it shows the top anchors. Anchors are the text which a link is used to hyperlink and give out that link. So for example, if you, as I say, a backlink means there is a link which is pointing to this particular website. That link will be hyperlinked to a image, text, or any even empty links or anything like that. That text is what we called anchor text, and these are the top anchor text which is Ahref is getting. And we have domain referring domains by authority. So here we can see what kind of referring domains of a Semrush and what kind of authority it has. We can see nice percentage. So from here you can see most of the domain which is linking to Semrush is just 11 to 20 authority. Then they have 21 to 30. After that they have the biggest one is 0 to 10. So they receive a lot of low amount of authority domain backlinks. Then these are the things. So from here itself we can get a better idea. Backlink types is shown here. Number of text backlinks, because they receive a lot of text backlink, it is over 71%. Image backlink, form backlink, frame backlink, iframe backlinks and everything. Link attribute, as we know in SEO, do follow links are much more powerful compared to no follow, sponsored and use GC, where they are getting over 63% of backlink as a no do follow. Even no follow is good for SEO, and they are receiving 37% here as well. So those are the link attributes. Various link attributes are shown here. TLD distribution is where, like, domain extension out of their backlink which they are receiving, what kind of extension the backlinks are coming from. Is it from .com, is it from .net, org, all the different domains, and showing me the domain data. If you click here, it will apply that filter and it will go into one of the tabs for deeper analysis. Then we are seeing top countries where the domain is coming from. Obviously they are getting a lot of backlinks from United States of America. So after that, these are the link push file distribution is where it shows, like, out of this much of domain, how much is this kind of IP and what kind of sub network. So this particular database handles with the IP address and sub networks of that domain ranking profile. Similar profile based on the backlinks this particular domain receives, it also tries to compare with other domains, like who else is getting these kind of backlinks to them, and it gives you a similar profile. Most of the time these similar profiles will be your competitors. So if you are entering your own domain, when you see similar profile, most of the time it will be your competitors, because they are receiving same backlinks, that they might tend to try to rank for the same type of keyword which you are going after. So that full report is available through here. Top pages is what shown, like, these are the pages within Semrush which gets a lot of backlinks. So these are the backlinks within that particular website getting a lot of backlinks. So we can get an idea here. Yeah, they also have a small learning course on their backlink section also. Now if we go into network graph, is where this is something interesting and also a bit complex to get used to it. Even I'm not 100% accurately using this tool. Basically what it will show, it will use the backlinks profile it has to show basically a network graph. Based on that, it will give you a reputable sign, and around 63% of relevant domain is shown here. And you can, what you can see, SMrush is this per middle dot. Depending on that, if you click on any other dot, it will show how their backlinks is connected and what are the other domains associated with it. So it's basically, you can zoom it out. You have the option to go back to center, you can go full screen, zoom out, all these things. And if you click on all the different ones, it will show how each one is connected and how you can get a better understanding on your link profile here as well. You can see all the things. And if I click on this, I highly recommend you, because you can see, get a much more better understanding from here and from here as well, because this user manual gives much more depth on how you can start understanding this and start using this option for you. So that is network graph. Then we have backlinks, where we are seeing the overall summary. Basically, this section is the most of the time we will be using to find all the backlinks of our site or from our competitor site, because this section is basically giving you all the backlinks it has. For example, SMrush has around 46 million backlinks, so I can have various filters. It also giving me a summary look here. We already seen this, but let me show you the filters here. For example, I'm seeing a lot of backlink, but we have several filters here which I can use it to get a much more manageable prospects for me. First, we have all active, new, lost. All will show all the links. Lost means that these backlinks have lost, or somehow this backlinks got broken, that links got removed. New are the new backlinks SMrush received. Active backlinks are all the backlinks which are active right now, which is live, because they, even though SMrush finds a backlink source, what it will do is periodically it will go back and crawl the page again for metrics, and also to see what kind of links it has, all the things. So this process does it automatically. So you will find those data. You also have the time period, so you can see, I want to see the backlinks added in this particular month. All those data can be set here. You also have different criteria. Do you want to see what kind of backlink profile? If you want to see only do follow backlinks, just click on do follow. It will only show the do follow backlinks of SMrush. You can see all the different stuff here. Then you have different other link attribute functionalities here. Links per domain, like in from a domain, how many backlinks you want to see. Currently it's saying like does not matter how many backlinks it has, show everything. But if I turned on one per domain, basically what SMrush will do is it will group the backlinks and will show me one big the most powerful backlink SMrush receives from that particular source. So we are now broken that down into 118,000. When then we have link placement, like where should be the backlink placed? Either is it within content, because backlinks which is coming from content tend to be more powerful compared to other places like header, footer, site wide. These backlinks are still good, but most of the time these considered as low value, because it is very common to place these things. But content will be much powerful. So if I'm looking for only content backlink opportunities, I will select content here, and I have sorted down to 79,000 right now. Referring page platform, like the domain which is bringing this backlink, what kind of platform do it want? Is it a e-commerce or wiki based platform, blog based, message board, CMS? All the different data are shown here. Referring page language, from which language that backlinks are coming from, that site I can maybe set it as English. Then once I do that, again the filter will takes place. Then it has whether do I want to see all the pages of backlinks or only the web pages which have been optimized for mobile. So I can see only mobile friendly web pages here. And you can see I have sorted it further. Now I can filter it by title or URL also. And when I click on advanced filters, and I can see various other filters also. For example, include exclude option is available. I have the control for referring domain, so I can give a domain say and show only backlink from this domain particularly, or I can select a type and select what kind of type of backlink I want. Anchored, IP address, zone, all these other stuffs are available here. So you can see by just turning on several filters for me, I trimmed down the backlink from around 47 million to just around 50,000 for me. From here, I can go by page authority and see these are very powerful backlinks for SEMrush. So I can go, if let's say for example SEMrush is my competitor, what I will do is I will take a look into their most powerful backlinks from here and try to get a backlink from that page itself. You can see it is privacy notice. This is as a privacy partners page. Basically, maybe I can try, if I'm also running a SEO tool, maybe I can try to reach out to them. And similarly here as well, you can see it is a domain backlink directly coming from that content backlink. All the different sources are available here. Maybe I can check it out and get a better ranking option and try to get the backlinks from here as well. So those are the data related with backlinks tab. Then we have anchors tab. Anchors tab basically gives you the data out of all the backlinks. What are the anchors they have? For example, in SEMrush, empty anchor seems to be a lot, and if I click on this particular link, it will show me all the backlinks which has this empty anchor text, and this is the next set of anchor text. So based on this, you can see all the links which SEMrush is receiving, what is the text which is hyperlinked to. So we can see the anchor text data here. Then we are seeing referring domains here. Basically we saw backlinks. Now it's showing me only the backlink domain data here, all the data in summary, and also it will give you a big same like backlinks table, but it is for the domain table here as well. So I can see the total number of backlinks, all the data are shown here. You can see all the things. For example, if I click on any of here, when I click here, it will show all the backlinks that particular site is giving to SEMrush. So that is what this section does. Then we have indexed page. Index page is where all the pages which got indexed with the backlinks amount. So these are the pages which receiving a lot of backlinks. We can understand from here. You can see this backlink as this amount of backlinks, number of domain it's linking to, external, internal link loss in, all the data are shown here as well. Outbound link is something interesting where it not only shows the link which it's receiving, but also this particular domain is linking out to. So these are the domain which SEMrush is linking out to. So we can see other maybe some linking opportunities or some other places where this particular site is linking out to them, so we can get a better idea on that. So these are the outbound links database. Apart from that, we can see competitor database. From here you can see all the competitors which SEMrush is able to find based on the backlink backlink database, similar backlink database. We can see all the competitors is found around 100 competitors related to it, and we also have link to view those data as well. Then we have referring IPs. So now it will show all the IPs which most of the domain or backlink is coming from. So those are the data which is available within the backlink analytics within SEMrush. This is a really powerful tool. So if you use this wisely, you can find very good linking opportunities and find backlinks which you need to outrank your certain site. You can do this on a domain level basis, or go with the exact URL if you are looking for a backlinks opportunity for a specific web page or a website. You can do all those things from here. So that is what backlink analytics tool within SEMrush is able to do.